Today, you'll take the Daily Oral Language Quiz number 11 for language arts. Remember to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. For the first part, you're going to correct the sentences. Remember, what will be graded is the sentence you write. Number 1. U.S. Presidents Thomas Jefferson and John Adams, both dying on July 4th, 1826. Number 2. Both of Beth's parents are alumnuses of New York University, and she went there, too. Number 3. Did you notice them people sitting next to us wearing New York Mets caps? And for number 4, you need to underline the prepositional phrase in the sentence. Our cat likes to sleep on the back of my father's chair when he's watching TV.